Go.
Your access to success seems so far. How long will you see? Will not be educated. So, how can you say this is our right? Where will you go to escape? Revelation will come, friends. When you write Inkla with pain, you reach to success is through the pain. Eat two less roti, but definitely educated you child. So remember, friends, one child, one teacher, one pain, and one book can change the world. Thank you.